Hi fighters, how you doing? This is Travis from Carter Cow Capital, and this is your Forex Traders Tip for today. Now I want to talk about something that is very important, and it's about what's going on up here. What is your mindset when it comes down to overall trading? My mindset every time that I end up taking a trade, or even before I end up taking a trade, is win. And what I mean by win for me is more of an acronym. That's more for whatever is necessary to be able to win that trade. Now, understand, there will be times where you will just have to be able to take a loss. And understand, we always say that we want to cut our losers short, but we want to let our winners run. However, once you end up getting yourself into a winnable position, you have to do whatever is necessary to be able to make sure that you end up protecting your profits and also allowing the market to be able to go through and finish the wave of what you thought was going to end up happening. Now, sometimes that can be very tricky, and I want you to understand this, because you can see with economic news, sometimes the market can be able to push up very far away from your original position. But what that's actually doing is, in the long term, giving you another opportunity to be able to add on and scale into your trade if your trade allows you to be able to do that. Now, if you're about 80 to 90% where your take profit zone is, and it does that, then that means that, yes, we need to go ahead and cut our losses, go ahead and take our win and be able to go from there and add that into our account so we have more buying power. However, if you have an opportunity to be able to win, then you need to go ahead and be able to win. But in order to be able to win, you have to be able to do whatever is necessary to get yourself into a position to be able to do so. And that means staying up a little bit later at night, being able to go through the charts and being able to understand what's going on with the market, being able to get mentorship and being able to learn from other people to get that aha moment very quickly, being able to understand how the market is actually flowing and know what that pair is actually doing from a large perspective to a small perspective. So now when you end up making your informed decision, you have a game plan and you can be able to stick to it. I always say plan your trade, trade your plan. That's very important in every situation that you end up going through when it comes down to trading. Because in order to be able to win, you have to be able to have a game plan first. And then after that, do whatever is necessary to be able to move your profits into a break-even position, and then after that, let your winners run. If you like what I end up talking about today, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. We finally end up reaching over our overall goal of being able to have over 2,000 pips in overall profits in 1 month of overall trading with Trade with Travis on our Facebook Live page, and which is going to end up being on our YouTube page. Why don't y'all end up joining us and being able to hop in on the front? You can be able to earn while you're actually learning. Until then, I see each and every one of y'all tomorrow for another Forex Traders Tip. Everyone have a good one.